Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix broken links using perplexity. So just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in my perplexity.ai and how to fix the broken links using this website. I will just tab on it my issue in the search bar how to fix broken links using perplexity. I just tab on for go for links. So the answer is you will see how to fix broken links and follow these steps easily. So identify broken links. Use tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush or Screaming Frog to crawl your website and find broken links. 404 errors. So this is the most engaging prompts you will see. So the second is analyze result. Review the code result to locate both internal and external broken links and check which pages link to these broken URLs. So here is the four options to fix your broken links and using the perplexity.ai. Thank you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.